Social media is growing and changing all the time. Sprout Social says that there are 3.96 billion users of all the social media platforms, and adults spend more than an hour and a half a day on social media. But more users bring more noise. In 2022, it will be harder than ever to get paid to post on social media. So, what do brands and creators do to make themselves stand out? Hello and welcome to ProFinance. ProFinance talks about personal finance that covers managing your money as well as saving and investing. Today we will discuss how to make money on social media. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. So let's get started. Number 1. Monetize your existing audience. Many businesses, influencers, YouTube stars, and business owners are already on social media. They have a loyal following from people who like what they do and are interested in what they sell. If you already have a following but want to get more business from social media accounts, all you need to do is learn how to use your existing audience to attract enough people to make the conversions. In a digitally competitive world, the only way to do this is to make content that's very appealing to the audience, attract them, and then get them to interact with your posts on any social media site. Number 2. Market your best skills. If you want to make money on social media, you need to know what skills you have and how to use them to attract your ideal audience or target market. The goal is to wow your audience so much that they buy your product or help you make money by sharing your videos because they like them. For example, if you think you can make some cool videos, you could use this skill to post those videos on Facebook or YouTube. Find out what you are good at and what you are not so good at, and then use your best skill to sell it through great content on such forums. Number 3. Become a social media influencer. Right now, everyone wants to be a successful social media influencer, which means there's already a lot of competition. You will see that there are a lot of influencers on Instagram and Facebook. Their number of followers is growing every day, and that they make a lot of money from different kinds of content they share, whether in a picture or a caption. Even though it might look like an easy task, don't choose it just because they think it will be easy. It takes a lot of time and hard work to come up with great creative ideas. Put them in the picture and take interesting pictures that will make your audience want to come back again. Number 4. Create a remarketing audience. You can't just expect people to keep watching your content because one blog post was interesting. You need a plan for your content and to find out what kind of content people like and then respond to that. Look at your social media accounts and read the posts that have gotten the most attention and try to make something even better so that you can keep your ideal customer moving smoothly through the buyer's journey. Remarketing your current audience will help you have better customer relationship with them and build real, honest relationship with the people who matter the most to you. Number 5. Create a Facebook group. The past few months have seen a significant increase in the number of people creating groups on Facebook. People use these groups to promote their own items, and they also provide an opportunity for other businesses to showcase their wares on the Facebook groups that they administer. Additionally, this is a fantastic location at which to meet members of your desired audience and cultivate genuine relationship with them. People enjoy having the sense that they are part of a group that shares their values and beliefs. These Facebook groups are valuable advertising tools that can help you make a good living through sponsors and companies that choose to work with you. Because social media is used to market products and attract customers, these Facebook groups are useful advertising tools. Number 6. Use social media advertising. You can make the most of your presence on social media, regardless of the size of your company, so long as you employ the appropriate marketing methods and the appropriate form of advertising on the social media. If you want more people to connect with your social media account, you should make your content better and utilize advertising tools to send the right message to the right people at the right time. If you do this, you will see an increase in the number of people who interact with your account. Number 7. Sell your products and services. Make use of various social media platforms to get in touch with those who could be interested in purchasing the items that you have available for sale. On these forums, there are many buyers and sellers, and numerous groups have been created specifically for the purpose of conducting business. There, you will have the opportunity to market your services and bring in a respectable quantity of cash. In addition, this is an excellent opportunity to give some thought to the concept of influencer marketing. Make sure that you showcase your products and services in the most original and engaging way that is at all possible. By utilizing the Facebook Live feature, you may present your wares to prospective customers in real time, hence increasing the likelihood that they will make a purchase. Number 8. Explore affiliate partnership. Affiliate programs and sponsorships are another popular way to use social media. Businesses that want to market their brand and product partner with other people and pay them to do things. This puts their brand name on any campaign that the partner affiliation does. The idea behind affiliation and sponsorship, which is what Amazon does, is to get more people interested in a product. For example, a lot of Facebook groups are sponsored by other companies who pay the group owners a fee or give them free products that they can give away to make the group's audience more interactive. Number 9. Run sponsored posts. We are lucky to live in a time when advertising on social media is cheaper and more effective than older methods like printed marketing. With just a few dollars, you can reach a bigger audience in a matter of minutes, depending on where you are and what kind of people you want to reach. Make sure that if you want to improve your social media presence by making really good content, you don't waste it by not using these Facebook and Instagram tools for ads. There are a lot of people who use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other social media sites, and you need to reach out to them. Number 10. Always provide value to everyone. If you are a business selling a product or service on a social networking site, you should give the best customer service. Social media is a place where people can meet and talk to each other. And businesses could use this right when they treat everyone who visits their page as valuable and important. As a rule, if someone visits your page or asks you a question, you should respond in a very friendly and polite way. It would make a great impression on your potential customers and make them want to shop on your page again. If you had a bad experience with a business, you would never recommend it to someone else. Now that you have a business, you can't make mistakes like this because word of mouth is so important. If someone says something bad about your business on social media, it can get a lot of bad attention. As a business that wants to grow, we don't want that to happen. So, be active on social media and answer every question, even if you must tell the same person 100 times how much something costs. Your customer don't need you because they can buy the same thing from someone else. But as a business, you need people who will buy your products. And to make this process better and more successful, it's important to treat your customers with respect they deserve. So that's it for today. If you like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to ProFinance. ProFinance focuses on strategies to help you find more great deals that you can handle. Waste less time and money. Avoid unnecessary risk and reach your dream life faster. Press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.